Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Vegetables are an important part of a healthy, balanced diet since they contain all of our body's necessary nutrients. The problem is that, depending on how the vegetables are cooked, they can lose their nutrients. There are 3 important factors that determine whether or not the nutrients will be lost when you cook vegetables: how long you cook them, the temperature you cook them at, and the amount of water you cook them in. Out of these 3 factors, the amount of water is the most important. Too much or too little could directly influence the nutrient preservation. Here are some tips on the best way to cook greens and vegetables without losing nutrients. Whenever you cook vegetables, just barely cover them with water. Don't throw out the water you cook them in because it's full of nutrients. Instead, use it in soups or broths. Try boiling the water before putting the vegetables in. The less time they spend in hot water, the more nutrients they will retain. During the cooking process, keep the lid on the pot to avoid losing nutrients through the steam. If you have a steamer pot, use it. This is one of the best ways to preserve the nutrients. Another good way to cook vegetables without losing nutrients is through passive cooking. It requires more time, but allows you to get other things done in the meanwhile without having to worry about burning your dish. This technique can be used for vegetables, greens, pasta, and grains. Here is how to do it. Boil the water. After it reaches a boil, turn off the stove. Put the desired food in. Put the lid on the pot. Wait for your food to cook. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.